Hello, fellow gardeners and friends. I planted some seed potatoes 2 weeks ago. The potato varieties were the Red Pontiac and Kennebec. I'm going to plant a Adirondack Blue today. Very nice blue looking potatoes. For a 3-pound bag, it cost me $7.99 plus tax. Distance I'm going to plant them is 12 inches apart. And I'm going to use 2 seed potatoes if they are small, like this too. But for this one, I'm going to use 1 only. As they grow taller, you have to heal the plants like this. At the start, I use a high nitrogen fertilizer, 12, with phosphorus and potassium, a complete fertilizer. And I also use alfalfa. I bought this from Farm and Ranch Supply, like the Atwoods. By the way, I bought this blue potato from Tractor Supply. I throw in some alfalfa pellets in the holes. When you plant the potatoes, make sure that the position of the buds is upright. Then throw in some soil, and this time I'm going to throw in some all-purpose fertilizer, or the complete fertilizer. Then completely fill up the hole. We use the saw in cutting the big limbs, and the pruning shears called loppers for the smaller branches. This is a white Marseille fig. Pruning allows more sunlight and air to reach the interior part of the tree. And it's also the time to remove dying or dead branches. Stimulates new growth and more fruits to harvest. There should be a space for you to get into the middle of the tree for easy access in harvesting the figs. I trimmed the tree this way because I want to see which method will give me lots of fruits. This one, I cut the tip. This one I did not. And I have not decided if I want to have a tree, one main stem or a canopy. May you subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Enjoy your day.